Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Pinterest. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's just head on and open up Pinterest app right here. And from here, let's click on our profile icon at the bottom part of the screen right beside the inbox page icon. And from here, let's click on this three-dotted icon at the top right corner and click on settings. Click on personal information. And let's click on language over here. So actually this language setting within the Pinterest app will only customize the content you see, and this won't change the app language. So if you want to customize the content you see based on the language, you can also click on that and pick any language that you have. But to actually change the app language, we have to go to our phone settings. So for iPhone, we need to go to General, Language and Region, and Phone Language. So do just that, and let's go to the Settings app right over here. Let's go to General as instructed, and let's click on Language and Region right here. So what we're going to do is to click on this region option right here, and you can just click or select the language that you have. For example, I'm going to select French right here. This one, and then you can then confirm the changing of language, and it will restart your iPhone. If you have Android, just search up the settings and how to change your phone language, and it will also be changed within the Pinterest app. So that is how you can basically change language on Pinterest.
So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.